Hello friends, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to learn about final variables in Groovy. Think of a final variable like writing in permanent ink. Once you assign a value, it's locked. You cannot change it. This concept is very important when you want to create constant in your program. See here, what is final variable? A final variable is a variable whose value cannot be changed once assigned. It must be initialized when declared and after that it become constant. If you try to reassign it, Groovy will throw an error. Think of it like a permanent ink signature on a document. Once signed, it cannot be erased or changed. Let's see one example of the final variable. I will ex I will explain you step by step. And this is our example for the final variable. Here you can see for the first line, this final variable demo is the name of the class. The name, the naming is matter for clarity. And this class word defines a blueprint for the object. Then here for the second line, you can see this final. Final keyword that makes the variable constant. Once assigned, it cannot be changed. Means this final word that makes the variable constant and once assigned, it cannot be changed. This string, it is a data type for the text values. And after that, yeah, there is a company name word. This company name here, we take this as our variable name. Okay, means this company name is our variable. Then Infosys, this word is our initialization. Means we gave here a fixed value as a declaration. Okay. Then here you can see here define. It is a groovy keyword that declare a method without fixed type. And this display info, it is a method name. See here. In the final variable, we give this method inside the class. So after that, here println means this word is used for print output. Here you can see we have used a dollar company name. What is the meaning of that dollar? Yeah, this one. Dollar is used for inserting values into the string. Okay. And yeah, here we have commented out some lines. Means commented out means this will not considering at the time of output. Okay. So if you remove that this commented line in Groovy, now for this final variable, it will throws an error because final variable cannot be reassigned. Here I I take this because show you if we are trying to assign this name again, then it will how it will shows the error. Okay, I will show you that in some time. Then here define object. Here define it declares a variable, and this object is reference name, and this new final variable demo creates an object of the class. Then here object dot display info, it calls the method on the object. It calls the method on the object and prints the final variable value. Now let's run this program. Here you can see this company name Infosys. Now here let's try to remove this commented lines. Now you can see, yeah, it's thrown the error, right? So we can't reassign the variables in final variable. So let's comment it out again. Now run it. Okay, company name is Infosys. Now you can understood, right? The final variable are declare with the final, declare with the final, and once assigned they cannot be changed. It is useful for constant, and if we are trying to reassign a variable in final variable, it will throw an error. So that's the concept of final variable in Groovy. Remember, once you set it's permanent. Okay. In the next session, we will explore dynamic variable, which are the complete opposite. They can change type at runtime. So stay tuned. Thank you, friends.